The Checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.
Eagle Hills officially opened its sales office in Tbilisi on October 21, where Georgian Prime Minister Irakli Kobakhidze praised the company's entry into the country's market as a historic milestone for Georgia's urban and economic development. Kobakhidze highlighted Eagle Hills' global reputation for quality and innovation, noting that the projects would bring over $6 billion in foreign direct investments. He expressed gratitude to the company's founder, Mohammed Alabar, and its United Arab Emirates partners for their commitment. These projects will create thousands of high-paying jobs, strengthen Georgia's position as a regional investment hub, and enhance the urban appearance of Tbilisi and Batumi. Kobakhidze said, "I am confident they will become another calling card for our country. On behalf of the government, I promise full support and assistance." United Arab Emirates-based development company Eagle Hills has unveiled an ambitious plan to invest $6.6 billion in Georgia, including creation of artificial bay and yacht port on a 260-hectare area in the north of Gonio. According to the project materials published by the company, the Gonio development will feature a new yacht club surrounded by luxury hotels, apartments, complexes, villas, restaurants, and high-end shopping centers. Askaneli has officially opened a modern brandy wine factory in Bakurtsikhe with an investment of €20 million, including 14 million lari in financing from Tbilisi Bank. The facility, located at a key regional crossroads, is expected to become a major agro-industrial hub in eastern Georgia. The opening ceremony was attended by Levan Meghuzla, head of National Wine Agency, Gocha Chkhaidze, Askaneli's founder, and Vakhtan Butskhrikidze, CEO of Tbilisi Bank. The new factory, located in Bakurtsikhe, will become a regional agro-industrial hub due to its strategic location. This investment will provide a stable delivery point and the most important support for Georgian farmers, Askaneli notes. The enterprise will employ around 100 locals, has a processing capacity of 22,000 tons of grapes, equipment with advanced stainless steel fermentation tanks, and unique two-stage distillation system capable of processing 130 tons of wine per year. The facility ensures high-quality brand production. According to Chkhaidze, the project represents a foundation for the future of Georgian brandy and wine, supporting farmers' rising production standards and establishing a new cultural landmark. Multi-brand luxury boutique and online store Boygar has released its financial report for 2024, showing sales exceeding 80 million lari in the first year of the operation. The store, which officially opened in February 2024 at Rusaveli Avenue in Tbilisi, represents top luxury brands such as Prada, Valentino, Yves Saint Laurent, Gucci, Bottega Veneta, Louis, and Tom Ford. Boygar was founded by a member of Taktakishvili family, Boygar or Boris Khatulia, and Timur Avsajanishvili, who also own Babochka, a high-end retail group operating in St. Petersburg, Russia. According to the business register, Svetlana Avsajanishvili, a dual citizen of Georgia and Russian, serves as the company's director, while Matthew Emil Pierre Dunomet holds the position of sales director. Despite this strong sales, Boygar reported a loss of 1.2 million lari in 2024, attributed mainly to initial supply purchases and operating expenses. The cost of goods sold amounted to 10.4 million lari, and the company's total assets reached 27 million lari. First official stores of French premium fashion brands Maje Paris and Sandro Paris has been opened in Georgia in partnership of Bank of Georgia. The boutiques are located at Rusaveli Avenue, one of Tbilisi's main shopping destinations. The exclusive franchise rights for both Maje and Sandro belong to the company Z&AG in Georgia, a company within the North Group founded in 1997. Over nearly 3 decades, North Group has become one of the country's leading retail operators, employing more than 1,000 professionals and representing renewed brands such as Burberry, Polo Ralph Lauren and New Yorker. For 14 years, we have been introducing world-famous fashion brands to Georgian customers. Now, with the financial support of Bank of Georgia, we're proud to open the first official Maje Paris and Sandro Paris stores together, spanning on the area of 120 square meters. By the end of the year, we plan to launch another luxury Italian brand, Santoni, said Irakli Meluawa, director of Z&AG. Alexandra Zolukiani, head of corporate sales at Bank of Georgia, noted that Bank and North Group have a long-standing partnership. We are pleased that with our support, two iconic French brands have entered the Georgian market. The arrival of such international names strengthens the country's economy and the retail landscape. We wish the team success and will continue to actively support our partner businesses and their new initiatives, he stated. Yacht, founder of the travel company Check-in Travel, declared that the interest in Georgia among Uzbek tourists is on the rise. She told BMDG that over the past 3 years, the company has brought around 30,000 tourists from Uzbekistan to Georgia. According to the data from the first online months of 2025, Uzbekistan ranks among the top 15 countries for the number of visits to Georgia. Gedevanishvili noted that Uzbek tourists are primarily interested in seaside destinations, though interest in their region of Georgia is also growing. Our company has been operating in the Uzbek market for 6 years. Over the past 3 years, we have brought about 30,000 tourists from Uzbekistan to Georgia. From May to September, we operate daily charter flights to Batumi and Tbilisi, sometimes even adding extra flights to meet high demand, she said. As of Gedevanishvili, Check-in Travel records about 30% annual growth in demand and plans to promote Georgian winter visits to Uzbek tourists for the first time this year. The company recently participated in a business exhibition in Tashkent organized by the Sales Association, where it represented tourist opportunities in Georgia to the Uzbek audience. The founder of Tamaz Daushvili stated on BMG TV that the greatest challenge for any business is maintaining balance between the interests of employees, employers, and consumers. According to him, wage growth does not always reflect productivity level, and it's often determined by market dynamics. I'm always happy when salaries increase and the business has the funds. However, the key is to maintain the right balance among the three sides: employees, employers, and the most important, consumers. Managing this balance is one of the hardest tasks for any business leader, Daushvili said. He noted that while salary increases are essential for improving living standards, they also push prices upward. When living standards rise, it also drives wage growth, but this puts pressure on business. If wages increase, either prices must rise or profits must shrink. Rising price is easiest option, but it can reduce sales, he explained. Daushvili added that it's difficult for Georgian businesses to make long-term plans in the current economic environment, especially given the significant outflow of the workforce abroad. Georgia's textile industry is facing a severe downturn, with exports of locally produced clothes declining steadily and foreign interest fading. According to the business representatives, many garment factories have already shut down and the sector is on the verge of collapse. Natia, the founder of Unistyle company, said that instability in the country has made investors lose confidence in the Georgian market. Quite a few ateliers and factories have closed. We are trying very hard to sustain production, but the loss of export orders has hit us hard. Some companies are barely surviving, while most have shut down entirely, she noted. Trade added that this decline has been building up for some time and the situation has now reached a critical point. We can say that the sector has practically died, she said. According to her, the main reason is the growing fear among the foreign partners and investors. Stability is crucial not just for exports but also for the domestic market. Investors are avoiding Georgia because of uncertainty. No one will risk investing 100,000 USD or more here when fear dominates the market, Trade explained. Pomona Organic, a Georgian founding organic juice brand and one of Amazon's top-selling products for years, is set to appear on the shelves of used supermarket chains next year. According to co-founder Levan Kahadze, Pomona Organic has already sold more than 10 million bottles of Georgian-produced juice in the U.S. The brand, launched 8 years ago, offers 24 varieties of 100% U.S.-certified organic juices, including pomegranate, beetroot, and cherry, all produced in a certified organic factory in Georgia. Pomona Organic has been an official Amazon supplier for 5 years after signing an agreement with the company in Seattle. A 12-bottle pack of its juices currently sells for about $50 USD on Amazon. The company's next milestone is retail expansion. Negotiations are underway with whole supply chains, one of the U.S. leading organic retailers under the Amazon umbrella. Depending on the agreement, Pomona Organic products might appear in several states, first all be rolled out nationwide.
The Checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.